You've worked with Akshay Kumar in Gabbar is Back. So did you face any such problems?
He's a darling, sweet, superstar,
What are your views on this Karni Sena controversy?
That was sorted long back when we were there in Bikaner. That was sorted actually.
Were you invited for the screening for the president?
No.
Did you feel bad?
No. Sonu Sood is too overpowering, no? No, जो आपने किया वो अच्छा नहीं है. I made it better. Hi, this is Krish Jagalamudi. You are watching Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Were you not aware that Ketan Mehta was making a film on?
We know that there are some cases on that ED. The Ketan Mehta sir case. I attended the cases along with Vijayendra Prasad sir and me. We visited that, and Kangana there. I know the entire story.
So did you not have apprehensions that he was the director earlier, he was producer, Ketan Mehta?
No, by the time it came to me, basically there's no such thing basically. So I asked this question. What is that? We already told Ketan Mehta that that was a different story. By the time when it was coming to me, it was in March and April when it was coming to me. That entire thing was sorted. And when I first went to Kangana Ranaut, and when Vijayendra Prasad sir told me about this project, and they mentioned that Ketan Mehta sir is supposed to do that film is not happening. Now they have seen Gautamiputra Satyakani. They asked you to direct this film. Then I said okay for this film.
Okay. I read an interview and you've said that only 30% of your remuneration has been paid so far.
Yeah, that's before release they have to clear basically. When we are discussing about the second unit, and Kamal Jain sir said he will clear everything, but unfortunately he was in hospital. I tried speaking to the EPs and some of the people in the studio, but it's because my agreement happened with producer. He didn't pay. That long back he has to pay, but I didn't get my money. Yeah.
When was the last that you spoke to him?
Around the trailer release actually.
Okay, and are you aware that how is he right now? Because we don't know that how is he doing, because even around his
health. I
spoke
to Prasun sir, Prasun Joshi sir. Unfortunately, he was also not well. So Prasun sir said, he's okay now. He's stabilized, and I was inquiring, through my sources, how he is now. But I think he's good.
Now you've worked with Akshay Kumar in Gabbar is Back. So did you face any such problems?
He's a darling, sweet, superstar. He's the first one to come on set and who supports you to the core actually. I never had any problems with that. And I worked with Nandamuri Balakrishna sir, who did more than 100 films, and with Allu Arjun to Anushka to many big actors, and nine to everyone. Nobody behaved. Nayanthara or Anushka, they are superstars here basically. They never behaved anything.
Now, will you have apprehensions working in the Hindi films after this experience?
I have many apprehensions basically, but this is my job, I'm a director, I visualize and I create. So I'm going to do films in Hindi, there is no problem, but I will take a little break actually. I'll do much bigger and grander films, my USP. If you see my other films, you will understand.
No, I have. I love Kanche, and the subject itself was wonderful. And okay, and so did you speak to Atul Kulkarni by any chance? Have you spoken to him?
I didn't speak to Atul sir. I felt responsible, when a captain goes, everything, pieces fall. So somewhere, I have this feeling that I didn't put my foot too strong. I was too in love with the overall film. The film is bigger than anyone. So maybe I let him down, and I let Kangana walk all of us. Then I let Sonu down, and or Mishti Chakrabarti, several people basically. I'm in touch with everyone. Ankita, I'm in touch with. I'm very happy the way she portrayed, and she's a brilliant actress, and she did a great job. And Jishu Sen Gupta, he did great. Danny sir, Kulbhushan Kharbanda sir, Suresh sir. So I'm in touch with everyone, but no, I didn't speak to Atul Kulkarni. Maybe I'll speak to him now.
What are your views on this Karni Sena controversy? Because it was not the Karni Sena that opposed Padma.
Long back when we were there in Bikaner, that was sorted actually. We discussed, and we told what exactly the script is about, in which great light we are showing, and I don't think there is no such problem with Karni Sena right now.
Were you invited for the screening for the president?
No.
Did you feel bad?
No. No, I'm happy that President is watching the film, and which at the end of the day, the film is bigger than anything. So I think I'm little matured in that way, not to feel bad about that. But I felt bad when I didn't realize the process where it was coming. all the positive narrative that okay, we are doing together. And from there, August 15th to October 1st to December, January 25th, planned how it went, from, and it's my screen name. When I asked for my agreement, I showed the agreement. You should not, in filmography, people should know who directed, kind of thing. So everything was planned in a very poor taste. And the way I'm feeling sad. Today I would have been enjoying this moment with Kangana and all our team. The cinematographer Jnanashekar, who did that great job. We went and shot in the real locations. The fights were so raw, so bold. And there were so many women. When we are doing Vijay Beva song, I remember we got women from Kerala, Kalripattu people basically, and their training, and all the people, the gunfight. It's not just Kangana. It's thousands of people. And I remember they put their blood and sweat. So it's carrying the lights and going there, and the horses, and it's a lot went through that. So we all would have enjoyed. Right now, this Manikarnika, whenever the topic of Manikarnika comes, there is a little controversy of this, who directed what. Whoever directed, kind of thing, you directed this portion. This is a mark which is not needed actually. I'm sad for that. The film is perpetual. You are not doing for today. You are doing, today you have to get monies, today you have to entertain people, but it has to have the shelf life. And it has to have a serene thing actually. Yeah.
Do you think that Kangana is self-obsessed or narcissistic?
It's I have to take a long pause on this basically. It's personally I don't care, I don't bother. And as a professional thing, yes, she is actually. The first comment she did when watching the first edit, the first comment, she stopped. I hope she remembers basically. She told, Sonu Sood is too overpowering, no? And then I said, Kangana, if the antagonist is strong, the protagonist will be, you have to raise even a stronger kind of thing. No, wo kusti sequence ka zarurat nahi hai, wo hata denge. I said, no. And then there is a nice piece we did, Jishu Sen Gupta doing Shiv Tandav Jaisa, because, the king always plays kind of thing, Then uska reduce karenge kind of thing. And more than she's telling her thing, okay, pehle everyone she told, and then, and maybe, she's too focused on herself. And I won't call narcissism or self-obsessed, but, it's all, I want, okay, where is my stuff kind of thing, yes.
And she also, I think, told you that it's when she looked at the first edit that it looks like a Bhojpuri film.
I took an offend of that. She should not call. That's not a Bhojpuri films. We give the budgets what Bollywood or Telugu is getting. They'll make better films than anyone. No, don't call that one. And she told that's not the first time. She told in December that in the first time she all praises basically. Over the period of time. She told, oh, that time I thought, Kangana, you remember you praised and everything. No, I didn't praise basically, after 4-5 days I praised just to not to offend you. And knowing Kangana, she praised me not to offend in the first thing. And she told that in June, she told that in December, when I asked for this thing, jo aap kiya no kind of thing. And right now I saw the film basically. Whatever the scale, and you see the sequences, I so wish I can see with all the press and everything, ye scene kaun kiya kind of thing. It's very childish kind of thing, but so it's a there is a style hota hai, ek director ka style hota hai, if you see my kind of emotions and everything, you will understand. And she just she will say anything. She just said that. Yeah, but what then I told that to her basically, Kangana, and she only told, we have a winner, we have a masterpiece, and abhi ye changes kare to this is a golden standard film, which I always use. And I remember where she did great, and I used to tell her. And whenever while we are shooting, we didn't have any problems. Minute, the friction sometimes those are minutes basically. Everyone will have, but in June mein she praised everything. And once just before the entire film, and when she wants to take a credit, jo aapne kiya wo acha nahi hai, I made it better, which is she made it. I can say she reduced the value of the film. Hi, this is Krish Jagarlamudi. You are watching Bollywood Hangama. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon.